it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today, to go along with my cornbread, I made chicken chili with black-eyed peas. It's delicious. I'll show you how to make it.
In a Dutch oven, put some olive oil, heat that up, and then add chicken breast or chicken thighs chopped in bite-sized pieces, seasoned with salt. Brown the chicken, then add onion, bell peppers, garlic, cumin, chili powder, and oregano. You can use any color of bell pepper that you choose. Give it a good mix. And the whole house smells amazing already as you brown everything up and soften everything. And then add the tomatoes, black-eyed peas, salt, bring to a boil, and then reduce, cover, and crack the lid and simmer for an hour. And you're basically done. Add 3 tablespoons of pickled jalapeno brine. It doesn't make it spicy. I was not happy with chunks of tomato in there, so I decided to go in there and cut up the tomato. Next time I'm using crushed tomatoes. On to the cornbread.
Today, to go along with my chili, I made skillet cornbread with cheddar and scallions. It's delicious. I think it's my favorite. I'll show you how to make it.
In a large bowl, put all-purpose flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and whisk that together. Beat 2 eggs in a separate bowl, and then add the buttermilk, unsalted butter, cheddar cheese, and scallions. Any color of cheddar cheese that you choose to. And you want to combine the mixtures and then add the scallions and cheese. My skillet was preheating in the oven, and all I do is add the butter to the skillet, swirl it around, add the batter. I'm going to bake that for 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you go, beautiful crust, moist, tender, tangy from the buttermilk. And toasted leftovers of this cornbread are so good. You can't get that crust without a very hot cast iron skillet, by the way, so I love it. So versatile, goes with a big mess of greens, lots of different meals to have the cornbread with. And this dinner is served 6 to 8. Recipe and more at robinandwillow.com.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.